How to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Wanna play Fortnite with a friend on your Nintendo Switch? In this tutorial I'll show you how to set up split screen mode so you can enjoy the game together, so let's get started. First, open Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch and make sure you're signed into your Nintendo account. To play split screen, you'll need two controllers. Connect the second controller to your Nintendo Switch and make sure both controllers are powered on and synced to the console. Once you're in the main menu of Fortnite, choose your game mode like Battle Royale. You need to be in a solo or duo match to use split screen mode. After selecting your game mode, the second player can press A on the second controller and they'll be prompted to log in with their Epic Games account or play as a guest. If needed, go into the settings menu and adjust the split screen settings for a better view or layout, and this will customize how both players see the game on their screens. Once the second player has logged in, you'll see both players' avatars on the screen and the game will start in split screen mode. Enjoy playing together. Thanks for watching.